All right, guys. So finally, we're at Peppaz Island Grill, and guess what? We did our final inspection today, building inspection, and we passed. We passed everything, guys. So right now, I'm heading over to the city hall to get our business license. So we passed fire, we passed health department, and we just passed our final building inspection. So now we're ready to go, guys. We're ready to open. So it's a good news, good. It's a Wednesday. It's good. It's good news. Yo, I'm so excited. It's been a long journey. Um, Thank you to all those everybody that's involved in this build. It's been a year and something now, and we finally got our paperwork. The build didn't take too long, about 3 months, but paperwork took us, about 4 or 5 months maybe. But we're finally finished. We already got our health department certificate right there, and we got our certificate of occupancy. We just need our business license now. So we're gonna head over to City Hall, get that done, and we're ready to open.